So in this lesson, you're going to practice the first few moves during the opening of a chess game. So during the opening of a chess game, the idea is that you're trying to get your pieces developed and then you're trying to get your king into safety. For this video, we're just going to be focusing on this idea of opening to get your pieces out and get your pieces active so that they're ready for the fight. So one of the best first moves that you can do is to move this e-pawn here to e4. It's a great move because there's the center of the board that are these d4, d5, e4, and e5 squares, and during this opening stage you're really looking to control the center of the board. Remember how we learned how to control space during one of our checkmate lessons? Well, during the opening you're trying to control space as well, and you're trying to control the center of this board. So any move that you can get a pawn onto that center one of those center four squares, or get one of your pieces that's attacking or controlling them, is going to be a great move. So we got a pawn into the middle, great move. It's also a great move because it's opening up this diagonal for your light squared bishop as well as this diagonal for your queen. The next move that would be a great move is to get your knight out. And this is a great move because this knight is not only protecting that pawn, but it's also attacking another one of those center four squares, as well as getting the knight an option to go over here, or like that, or it can go back. So it's a great move for activating your knight. After that move, another great move is to get your other knight out. And now you have your two knights out in this pawn, which you have enough pieces out that are now attacking and controlling every single one of these center four squares. After you've got your knights out, the next pieces you're looking to get out are your bishops. And you can see on the next move, we've already got a pathway for this bishop to get out. It's really common to either go to this square, the c4 square, or up here to this b5 square. Now all that's left to do for this lesson is to get our other bishop out, and now we can either open up a diagonal by moving this pawn and getting this diagonal open, or we can move this pawn and get it out this way. Now, because controlling a center is so important, I recommend moving this other center pawn. Now you've got two pawns that are controlling a lot of space up here in the middle. We've got our knights controlling these four center squares, and now we have access for our bishop to get out on the very next move. So what do? The next move, move that bishop out. So grab a buddy, one of you play the white pieces, one of you play the black pieces, and I don't want you trying to improvise, I want you to try to copy this exactly like I'm showing you in this lesson. So the first move is that e-pawn to e4. Black makes their e-pawn to e5. Now we get our knights out to protect these pawns. So knight comes out here to c3. It's protecting the pawn. Black is going to do the same with their b-knight. Now let's next get your other knight out. Black gets their other knight out. Next up, develop your bishop. Remember, I like to go to this square because now it's going to be attacking that knight. Black does the same. They get their bishop out, which is attacking this knight. Now we want to get our other bishops out, and we do that by moving our other center pawn. Black copies. Now white gets their last bishop out, and then black gets their other bishop out. And at this point, I just want you to pause and stop there. I really recommend you setting it back up at starting positions, practicing this just a few times. Have you and your friends switch sides, one of you do it for white, one of you do it for black. If your friend or somebody is getting confused, try to help them out. But really remember that order of how I got those pieces out and practice that until you don't have to think much about it. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back